So today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of the Canon EOS Rebel T7. So it comes with this bag right here to store the camera in. Pretty nice looking bag. Spot for the camera. A little spot for the lenses, I assume. Pretty durable, strong feeling bag. It's got a shoulder strap. Pretty nice looking. And then let's see the actual camera itself. It's the Rebel T7 by Canon. Booklet goes with it. It's got a shoulder strap. Way to register your product. Warranty. Like a battery that goes with it. Yeah, battery pack. Oh, one of the lenses. Got a cover for that spot and a cover for that spot. It's a nice looking lens. Image stabilizer. Pretty cool. Oh, we've got a little charging port for the batteries. Kind of cool. Makes me wonder if you could do like a USB charge on the camera. Not really sure. The actual camera itself. Oh, HDMI out. It's got a spot. I would assume that I would be able to do some kind of charging right there, but I'm not sure. Spot for the battery to go in. It's got a nice cover. Goes right there. See what happens when we put in the battery. Just a nice simple on-off switch. I'm just going to ask me to set up my time zone. I just want to skip that for now. Looks like I'm going to need it to put a card in there. Oops. Oh. All I did was push this button here and it just automatically started doing stuff. Okay. Okay. So right now it's set so if I look through here, I could see what it's going to take as far as the picture goes. And then I could change display settings here. I'm not really sure how to change that, but it's pretty nice pictures. It doesn't have an SD card in it right now. Not really sure exactly where the SD card goes. If anybody wants to leave a comment in the comments telling me where it goes, that'd be great. Let's see. It looks like with the other lens. And this is a DSLR camera, so a little bit of an upgrade of the camera that I had previously. This is also included in the kit if you get the premium kit. Got another warranty attached with that. More information about the lens. And packing material. And the lens itself. If you were just to compare the two, you can see that this is a much bigger lens. It zooms in way more. I'm kind of a novice when it comes to cameras, so if I don't explain things the best, hopefully somebody in the comments can. You can clearly zoom out much more. It looks like 75 to 300 times. Kind of blurry. This one would probably be clearly for something much further away than right where I'm looking. But my first impressions of this is it is a pretty good freaking camera, especially for the price point. I believe I paid about $549 for it. So with everything included, I mean, it's a pretty good deal. Let me know what you think of the camera. If we have anybody in there who's had this camera or have had other DSLR cameras, just kind of let us know in the comments which one you think is better. And thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.